is Julie Wiley, and I'm the Associate Director for Capital Projects with the Project Delivery Group. We're standing in front of Paley Hall. We're on the north side, where we have been under construction on the former library since the middle of February. We started with an early structural demolition process where we actually took the facade of the former library off and demoed the top penthouse and also the roof slab down on the top of the third floor, which is what you see behind me. We're currently working on the foundation installation for the new addition, which is going to be going to the east near 12th Street. And so that will go for the next couple of months, and then we'll start our steel installation towards the end of the year. A big component of this project is actually we are increasing the overall square footage to about 300,000 square feet. And that's really to be able to accommodate, all of the different departments and programs that CPH has. The building is going for LEED certification, and also when complete will be Temple's first WELL certified building on campus. So a key component to the WELL certification is natural light. So one of the things that we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating a lot of light wells. If you think about Paley Hall as it was as a library, there wasn't a lot of natural light coming in that building, and that is really due to the fact that it was a library. But we're going to be creating a lot of light wells in this space using a lot of glass to really, enhance the natural light within the building. So construction is going to go through the summer of 2025, and the goal is to open for the fall semester of 2025.